In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check VRM temps in HWiNFO. VRM stands for Voltage Regulator Module, the circuitry that feeds clean, stable power to your CPU. Under heavy load, VRMs can get hot, so keeping an eye on their temperature helps you avoid throttling or instability. Start by downloading and opening HWiNFO. Once it launches, choose Sensors Only mode. This skips the system summary and takes you straight to the live metrics. Click Run and you'll see a long list of sensors updating in real time. Scroll through the list until you find your motherboard section. It will be labeled with your board's brand, like ASUS, MSI, Gigabyte, or ASRock. Under that heading, look carefully for entries that can represent VRM temperatures. The most direct labels include VRM temperature, MOS temperature, CPU VRM, mainboard VRM, or VR loop. Different manufacturers name these a bit differently, so take your time and scan for those terms. If you can't find a specific VRM temperature reading, don't worry. There are a few common reasons. Some motherboards simply don't expose VRM temp data to software. Others use alternative names such as TMPin, MOS, or VR VCC temperature. And on many budget boards, a dedicated VRM sensor isn't included at all, so that number won't be available. In those cases, you can still monitor other system temperatures, but you won't have a direct VRM value. For easier ongoing monitoring, right-click anywhere in the sensor list. You can enable Show Values in Tray to pin key readings to your taskbar so they're visible while you're in a game or full-screen app. You can also enable graphs to see temperature trends over time, which is great for spotting spikes during stress testing. When it comes to interpreting the numbers, here are the typical guidelines. Below 80 degrees Celsius is considered good. Between 80 and 95 is warm but usually acceptable, especially during heavy workloads. Once you see readings above 100, that's too hot and can lead to throttling or system instability. Keep in mind that labels and sensor placement vary, so use these ranges as practical guidance rather than hard limits. For accurate testing, run a CPU-heavy workload while you watch the readings in real time. Observe how the VRM temperature climbs under sustained load and how quickly it settles back down at idle. That pattern tells you a lot about your cooling and case airflow, and that's all there is to it. With HWiNFO in Sensors Only mode, you can find VRM-related entries, keep them visible with tray values or graphs, and judge whether your temps are in a safe range.